Vaseline hacks that will make your life easier. Rub a tiny bit on your fridge, sink, and appliances. It gives them a streak-free shine and helps repel fingerprints and water spots. If drawers keep sticking, swipe a bit of Vaseline on the rails or tracks. It works like a natural lubricant, smooth and silent every time. For squeaky doors or cabinets, skip the WD-40, dab Vaseline right onto the hinges, move the door a few times, and enjoy the silence. If you've got a zipper that's stuck, rub a little Vaseline along the teeth. It helps loosen the fabric and makes the zipper glide smoothly again. Got dull leather? Buff a small amount of Vaseline. It brings it back to life, gives it shine, and helps protect from cracking. Before screwing in a light bulb, coat the metal base with a touch of Vaseline. When it's time to change it, it'll twist off with zero effort. So next time you grab Vaseline, think beyond skincare. It's your secret household problem solver.
Did you know that one simple bottle of Dawn dish soap can do so much more than clean the dishes? Tired of soap scum and hard water stains in your shower? Fill one of these soap dispensing brushes with 1 part Dawn and 3 parts cleaning vinegar. Rub the solution all over the glass and walls of your shower. Let that sit for a few minutes and scrub it away for a streak-free shine. If your jewelry has lost its sparkle, Dawn is the secret to bringing it back to life. Add a few drops of Dawn to a small bowl, fill it with warm water, and let your rings, earrings, and necklaces soak for a few minutes. Then you can gently scrub them clean with a soft toothbrush and rinse with clean water. Dawn is a gentle but powerful cleanser that is so great for removing dirt and oils trapped inside your makeup brushes. Simply mix a small drop of Dawn with warm water and swirl your brushes in the solution. Rinse your brushes thoroughly with clean water when you're done. Let them air dry and they will be soft, fresh, and ready to use again. Dawn can also be a miracle worker for tough stains on clothes. If you have any grease, oil, or butter stains, apply a small drop of Dawn directly onto the stain and rub it with a small toothbrush. Then let that sit for a few minutes to really soak in. Then you can go ahead and toss your clothing straight in the washing machine with the rest of your load just like normal, and the grease-fighting power of your Dawn dish soap will leave those clothes looking fresh and stain-free. Dawn is also great for tackling stubborn sticker residue. If you're trying to remove a pesky label or have leftover adhesive from price tags or tape, grab your Dawn dish soap and get to work. Just apply a little Dawn directly onto the sticky spot and let that sit to really soak in for a few minutes. Then scrub it away with a soft cloth and use a sponge for any stubborn spots. This is a really great way to remove all of that residue without using harsh chemicals. Who knew Dawn dish soap was such a game changer?
And let's transform these basic wicker baskets into a vintage-inspired look. First things first is you wipe the Vaseline all around the basket where you do not want the white paint to set. Once it has completely dried, wipe it with a wet cloth, and just like that, the paint should come off where the Vaseline was put on. Now that that's complete, let's create a 2-tiered basket hanger for your kitchen where you can put your fruit and other items. You simply wrap twine through the base basket and tie a knot. I did it in 3 different corners in a triangle, and just like that, you have created such a cute vintage-inspired fruit hanging basket.
Think Tide Pods are just for laundry? Think again. You've been sleeping on these mighty little cleaning bombs. First, bring the bling back. Dull jewelry dragging down your sparkle? Fill a bowl with warm water, drop in a Tide Pod, and let your favorite pieces take a quick spa soak. Give them a gentle scrub with a soft toothbrush, and boom, shine restored, no fancy cleaner required. Next, Sneaker Reviver. Scuffed up kicks? No problem. Dissolve a Tide Pod in warm water. Scrub away those dirty stains, and voila, your shoes will be looking street ready in no time. Is your dog's bed smelling a little too lived in? Time for a refresh. Toss it in the washing machine with a Tide Pod and let the magic happen. It'll come out clean, odor-free, and oh so snuggly. Next, create a DIY all-purpose power spray. Why use a million cleaners when one will do the trick? Create a mixture using warm water and a Tide Pod in a bowl. Then pour it into an all-purpose cleaning spray bottle. Boom! You've got a powerhouse cleaner for counters, sinks, and pretty much any mess. Try this in your shower for an extra special cleaner. Crusty leftovers stuck to the inside of your microwave? No worries. Pop a bowl of water with a crushed Tide Pod inside of it. Microwave it for a few minutes and let the steamy magic do its thing. Wipe down with a cleaning cloth or a piece of paper towel. Those stuck-on splatters will wipe right off. No elbow grease required.
Today I would like to show you a few different uses for baby powder. Simply get a small fabric bag like these organza ones I picked up at the dollar store. I had some fresh lavender growing in the garden, so I took the blooms off of the stem and sprinkled them with baby powder and put it all in the bags. Then I inserted them in my shoes. This will keep them fresh and it will also makes our mudroom smell fantastic. Do you have hardwood floors that squeak in areas? If so, sprinkle with baby powder and then using a paper towel or cloth, rub the powder into the cracks. Vacuum up the excess and then wipe with a damp cloth or paper towel. Voila, no more squeaks. Do you have musty books you would like to freshen up, or are you like me and press flowers in your old books? Sometimes, even with parchment paper, it can soil the pages and make them smell a little musty. Simply sprinkle on some baby powder in between the pages, spread it around with your hands, and then close the book up and leave for a few days. Then wipe out the excess baby powder and no more musty smells. It will not remove the stains, but it will leave the book smelling fresh. Do you hate trying to pull rubber gloves on? Well, here's an easy hack. First, sprinkle some baby powder in the gloves. Shake the gloves until it's evenly distributed, and now look how easy they slide on. There are so many different uses for baby powder.
I'm going to show you some really clever ways to use Vaseline. You can make a DIY lip balm using Vaseline and Kool-Aid. Grab a Kool-Aid in a fun shade and in a small bowl, mix together a dollop of Vaseline and some of that Kool-Aid. Mix it together real well and you're going to tint the Vaseline. You can store it in a little plastic lip balm container just like this. Then use your finger to put it on your lips whenever you're in a need. Then just apply it to your lips with your finger whenever you need it. Vaseline also works to unstick a zipper. This one is a little hard to move up and down. I'm just gonna grab some Vaseline, put it on a Q-tip, apply it above and below the zipper, and then just pull it up and down. Keep applying that Vaseline until I have a really smooth up and down movement. Vaseline can come in handy when applying perfume or any kind of a fragrance. By adding a small amount of Vaseline there and then spraying your perfume onto that Vaseline, it's going to hold the scent in place for longer. You can also make your own lip scrub for those dry or cracked lips. Put a little dab of Vaseline right in the palm of your hand and then sprinkle on some granulated sugar, the kind that you have in your kitchen. Mix it all together with your finger and then just rub it over your lips. The sugar is going to act as an exfoliator and the Vaseline will help keep your lips moisturized. Then take a wet, warm cloth and wipe it off. You have a pair of scuffed leather shoes or maybe a scuff on a leather handbag. Grab a little bit of Vaseline and a soft cloth and just buff it out. You don't need much at all, but you're going to fill in and cover up that scuff. Leaves your shoes looking fantastic and new. Vaseline makes an excellent highlighter in a pinch. It is really easy to just dab a little on your finger and put it right on the tops of your cheekbones. You could also add it to the bridge of your nose or the top of your lip, anywhere that you would normally put highlighter. This works really well in a pinch.